That time of year again, so I thought I'd make some Christmas decorations, specifically some Bandsaw Reindeers over on Bandsaw obviously. So I've got this nice bit of chunky oak and a few scraps, so I'll use those to make the reindeers out of, so let's get on with it. So I've got a bit of a problem. The bandsaw's decided to break down. There's something wrong with it, I'm not too sure. But the blade is moving backwards and forwards as well. And you can see it on the wheel. It's actually moving on the wheel. I tried fixing this, I'm not really sure what the problem is, so I'm gonna have to finish the cuts, which is the antlers, just on the using the jigsaw. So yeah, as you can hear, it doesn't sound too healthy. So yeah, like I said, I'll just finish the cuts now on, using the jigsaw. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching. Just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a big thank you for all the support over the last year. Hope to catch you on the next one. Cheers.